The KREFINISH Paint Sprayer Kit is designed to significantly enhance spraying efficiency and productivity by minimizing time, labor, and material waste. This kit features a disposable paint mixing cup system that supports mixing, measuring, filtering, and spraying in any direction, thanks to its 360-degree spray rotation capability. The closed system design allows for easy use in any orientation, ensuring a seamless transition from mixing to spraying while maintaining a secure connection between the cup and lid. Its versatility is evident. It works well with a wide range of coatings, including automotive paints, primers, varnishes, and lacquers, making it suitable for various applications. The kit includes 40 disposable lids with built-in filters, 40 liners, a reusable hard cup with a collar, and 20 sealing plugs, providing comprehensive support for your painting projects. KREFINISH stands behind their product with a satisfaction guarantee, offering assistance or refunds if any issues arise, ensuring a positive customer experience.